Okay, sorry about the background noise. Have you watched part 1 of the So Cool Sewing Machine? If you didn't, don't watch this until you watch part 1. So in part 1 we sewed the 2 patches together until we got to the one in the tuna's and opening. Now you're going to want to take the bag of stuffing and get a little bits at a time. But for this one we're going to need a lot since it's a big dog. It's not a big dog, but it's not like a pillow. Don't need a ton. Just, I guess you don't really need a lot. You definitely want to stop at the 1 and 2 and not make areas for yourself. Because if you make areas for yourself, they might be too small and you need to get the stuffing all through the thing so it's not like a flat spot. Then the rest is filled with stuffing. So I'm going to put a little bit more, not this much. It's a lot. Might not look a lot. Okay, this feels really big. Now you want to make sure there's none sticking out, like none's popping out. Pull it, like so it's like this, pull it. Make sure they're still. Okay. And then let's. Oh my goodness. Is she laying down? No. Okay. So we can do this. You have to be careful and stop at some spots. I don't like that because I can't see. Do not like doing this part, but we just have to. We're going to pause a lot. Like after that much when you've already have the stuff in it. Because you don't want it sticking out and then you have stuff sticking out and it's sewed. Again, do not put your fingers in there or else something bad will happen. And when I say something bad will happen, don't try it to see what will happen. You'll get your fingers chopped off. I haven't tried it, but I know that it does do that. Oh, this is not working out very well. Sorry if the camera randomly stops and I have to do another part. That's what happened and I didn't know it. And I almost finished it until I realized. So sorry if it does that. Okay. Okay, so you see I have to keep stopping because stuff keeps popping out and not lining up straight and stuff. Let me line this up straight. Oh my gosh, this is not working out very well. Okay, so let's try this. For me, it's not working out because it's not staying lined up straight. This has never happened before, and it's not lined up straight, but oh well. Okay. This is being so weird. This is usually never happened. Okay, good. It opened up again because I just now said it, so it opened up again so that I can line it up straight. But you don't want to try to rip it. I just did that. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit of this done because I need to make it lined up. But if I'm just gonna get it lined up and close it, but I will try to film it, but I definitely will show you what it looks like. Can't tell, but so the lights on now, and I'm gonna try it because I emptied some cotton. She's what? Okay. Whoopsies. Okay. Let's try. Okay, that is a lot better. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna flip the switch. If I can find it. There. Here's our puppy. It's Phil's. Okay, I hope you like this video. Subscribe. And comment if you have one of these or if it helps you make one or something. So, bye!